Geometry 1, Chapter 5, Topic 3. You should know the relationship between an exterior angle and the opposite interior angles, and use this to solve for missing angles. So example 1, solve for x in the following problem. Now the relationship between an exterior angle and the opposite interior angles is found in the exterior angle theorem. What the exterior angle theorem says is that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. So what that means is if you have a picture that looks like this, we have a triangle and we know that its angle measures add up to 180. But this angle right here is called an exterior angle because it's outside of the angle. That's exterior. The opposite interior are angle 1 and angle 2. So what this says is that the exterior angle is equal to whatever angles 1 and 2, what their measures add up to. So we can apply that in a picture like this. In this particular triangle, we know that its angle measures add up to 180 degrees, but we have this information here on the outside. This angle right here is the exterior. And the exterior angle theorem says the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. Now the opposite interior angles mean the inside angles that are not adjacent to the exterior angle. So adjacent means next to. So this is the angle adjacent to the exterior. It's next to the outside angle, which means the 12x plus 5 is equal to the sum of the opposite interior. That's the 47 plus the 7x plus 3. And we get a nice equation, algebraic equation that we can solve. So first thing I would suggest doing is combining like terms on the right side. Let's see here, 47 plus 3 gives 50 plus 7x. And you can solve in various forms here. I'm going to subtract the 7x from both sides. Remember, what you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to the other. So 12x minus 7x, 12 minus 7 is 5. On the right side, they cancel, and you're left with 50. Now subtract 5 from both sides. We're trying to get x by itself here. We get 5x equals 45. We're almost there. Last step, divide both sides by 5, and x equals 9. Now it's always a good idea that when you solve for x, you both go back and make sure that the question actually was asking for you to solve for x. So we go back up to the instructions where it says solve for x in the following problem, which means we found x equals 9. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior.